Hello everybody, this is Niclas Huschenbeth and today I would like to show you another chess problem. And this chess problem is actually brought to you by Michael Richter, who commented in one of the other videos, and he's saying the following. What to do when white plays the following moves: f3, king f2, king g3 and king h4. How to checkmate white in 4 moves. So black is checkmated on the 4th move, but without making a legal move. So let me show you on the board what white is going to do. He plays f3, king to f2. Well, we can play f3 already. And now his next 3 moves will be bring the king out to h4. And in the meantime, black has to make 4 moves and then checkmate. So how can this be done? And this is all about being creative, using your imagination, thinking maybe a little bit outside the box. It's a little tip here. And see how you can do it. So, well, take your time. I think you can actually, you have a good chance of solving this. This is not as hard as the one of the knight on h1. So think about it, be creative, and then when you're ready, continue. Alright, so I'll make the first move. It's e5. Actually, a pawn can also go to e6. It doesn't matter. King f2. And once again, if you want to stop here, you can figure it out from here. Black plays 3 more moves. White plays king g3, king h4, and then black wins. Okay, queen f6, king to g3. And now, and I think this is maybe where some of you might have struggled to see what happens now. But now that it's on the board, you might see it. And it's of course counterintuitive, but this is where the creativity comes in. We do something we would not usually do. And what is that? We play queen takes f3 check. And of course, the normal game, white would just take back, but this is a chess problem, and white goes on to h4, and now we can give the checkmate with bishop e7. Alright, so this is really about, well, think a little bit outside the box, giving the queen on f3, which we usually wouldn't do, but here this was the task, and this is the only way that works to checkmate the king on h4. So could you find it? If so, let me know in the comments, or if you maybe found another solution, but I don't think there is one. And yeah, also another good chess puzzle to present to your chess friends or in your chess club, wherever, and see if they can figure it out. Thanks to Michael or Michael to suggesting the puzzle. And if any of you other guys have another one that you would like to see me covered in this series, then please write it in the comments and I'll take a look. So that's all from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.